everybody. So this is my absolute first IGTV video ever. So if I seem super nervous, that's why. I really dread doing these things, but we're gonna do it because I have an unboxing and I actually know what the item is, and it's been sitting in this box for 2 weeks and it's been killing me because I know what it is. So it's right here. We're gonna unbox this together. I already undid the tape because nobody should have to bear watching me fight with tape. It's pretty bad. So if you could see, came from Canada. It also came 2 days earlier than anticipated, so that was really awesome. So this is from a brand called Finest Leathers, and right now they just launched and they specialize in quality leather jackets. And I've kind of turned into a leather jacket junkie, so when I got the email about this, they sent me the pictures, I was like, yeah, I kind of need it in my life. So we're gonna unwrap this together. I'm super excited, so yes. They got it in this box, like I said, came, yes, they are from Canada, but they offer free shipping to the US as well. So yeah, let's get into this. I always hate unwrapping packaging because I feel like they put all this effort into it and I'm just gonna destroy it, but here we go. Tissue paper. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. Sleeves undone. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty. I'm not even kidding right now. You guys have to see this. So here it is. Look at this biker jacket, okay? If you cannot see very well, this has rose gold hardware. Yeah, I have jackets with silver hardware. I'm really not a yellow gold person at all, but seriously, how often do you come across a jacket with rose gold hardware? So, first impressions, the leather is really awesome. Like I said, I do have a couple of real leather jackets, and so I can honestly say that the quality is really awesome. The hardware is really heavy. Sorry, gotta undo it. Have to undo it. So, and I think, yes, from what I read in the description, it does have pockets on the inside. So I'm sorry, I'm one of those ladies. If I am running out the door and I don't want to grab a purse, I need pockets. I need pockets. And so it has pockets on the inside. The quilting is fantastic. It's all through the back. They've got some detail here on the back. Yeah, this is absolutely amazing. So, super excited about it. Maybe we should just put it on. Yeah, pretty stoked about this. Anyway, so now that that's done. So the quality, like I said, is really awesome. They specialize in the quality of jackets. The fit, besides the tag sitting back here on the back of my neck, seems to fit really well. They took my measurements to make sure it would fit me correctly and all of that, so I knew it was gonna fit right, all of that. So yeah, anyway, so the thing that is most exciting about this jacket is, if any of you know, leather costs a small fortune. I have an All Saints Balfron jacket, and those things retail at about $500. Yeah, they retail at that. It's ridiculous. But this jacket here, it is on sale right now. Because they're launching, they're offering a 30% off coupon. It's spring 30, and this is 30% off. So their pricing was already good as it was, but with the coupon, US dollars, this jacket is only $185. For a quilted leather jacket. Usually quilting also costs more. That's why I don't have a quilted jacket, is because they're expensive. So $185 for a genuine leather jacket is pretty awesome. Right now too, with their launch and everything, they are on Amazon. I will leave that linked in the bio of my Instagram page and all of that, so you guys can get on there and check it out. But yeah, the packaging, I left stuff in the packaging. Just so you know, my other jackets that I have never came with this. Looks like you also get a coat bag. That is pretty awesome, actually, because I'm always scared I'm going to scratch up my leathers and stuff. Even though they're supposed to be worn and loved, it terrifies me that I'm going to ruin my leather. And, sorry to sneak away again, came with a hanger as well. Yeah, my All Saints jacket didn't come with a hanger, so it came with a bag, came with a hanger. It also came with a personalized note that seemed to have disappeared. I don't know what happened to it. I opened the box and it exploded. I don't know. So they leave personalized notes, hangers, dust bags, super amazing. Like really, I'm blown away by the quality of this. For the price, it's awesome. $185. And the sale is going on. I forgot to mention the sale is going on until the end of April. April 30th is when it ends. So if you're a rose gold girl, this is awesome. How many times are you gonna find, I just lost something. How many times are you gonna find a leather jacket with rose gold hardware on it? I mean, really, it makes this jacket super special. Like, I'm just wearing jeans and t-shirt today. This is really gonna elevate your outfit tenfold. Sorry, I don't know what to say. I'm super excited. I knew what it was. It is just as good as their pictures. So yeah, if you're interested, I'll leave swipe up, I'll leave links in my bio, all of that, because I really want you guys to check out this brand. They're just launched, they're new. I'm really excited to be working with them. This was kindly gifted to me, which I am elated about. I mean, some of these gifts that you get, this has to be one of my favorite, honestly. So they also, oh, I forgot to mention too, in this, they offer a lifetime guarantee on their jacket. How many brands offer a lifetime guarantee on their jackets? It doesn't happen. So, lifetime guarantee, rose gold hardware, quilting. Yes, there will be a blog post on this soon. I'm gonna wear it a few times and see how I like it on that. And there will be a full blog post here within a week or so to let you know my ultimate thoughts on this jacket after it's been worn for a while. So yeah, that's it for me. If you enjoyed this, I'm hoping to start doing some more IGTV videos and all of that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.